Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making steak fajitas and these are the ingredients. For this recipe I like to use beef chuck steak. I cut it into fajitas style and then I just put it in a Ziploc bag and we can start adding all of our seasonings. We have the pepper, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, cumin, a little bit of olive oil, and then this one is a hard one, Worcestershire sauce. I don't know how to say it. We then just close it up, zip it up, and we start just shaking it so all the ingredients combine together with the steak. Right here, I almost forgot to add the juice of 1 lime. We add it in there, we close it again and shake it up again. We then heat up the pan. We add 1 tablespoon of olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever you have, and we start by adding the onions. And we cook the onions for about 3 to 4 minutes. After the 4 minutes, we add the rest of our veggies. And we cook all of our veggies for about 5 to 10 minutes on medium-high. I like to add a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Is that how you say it? And we give it a good stir to combine everything together. And we also add a little bit of paprika. Mix it all again. Keep moving them around. We want all of our veggies to be tender. Okay, our veggies are now ready. We're going to remove them so we can add our steak. In the same pan, we add a little bit more of olive oil or vegetable oil, and then we add the steak that we have reserved. We want the steak to be well cooked, so this takes about 15 to 20 minutes on medium-high. Right here, it's almost ready. I just want all that liquid to vaporize. So we keep moving it all over around. We keep cooking it. Okay, our steak is cooked. We can now add all of our veggies and mix it all together. Give it a good stir. At this point, we can add the cilantro. And our steak fajitas are ready. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Enjoy, guys.